Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the essentials: the Punjab National Bank branch city, exact branch name, and the beneficiary account number. Once done, decide if you truly need a Swift code for international transfers versus IFSC for local rails. The two are not interchangeable. Make sure to open your bank's official app or call the branch directly before searching elsewhere. This first step avoids errors and saves time, because official channels list the correct Swift format and confirm branch-specific variations. Next, open the PNB app or call the branch to request the Swift/BIC. You need the exact 8 or 11-character code. The first 4 are the bank, next to the country, then location and optional branch. Once you have a candidate code, compare it with the code printed on a recent bank statement or on your international transfer form inside the app. This cross-check prevents using a head office code when a branch-specific code is required for certain correspondent routes. Finally, confirm the Swift code with both the beneficiary and the beneficiary's branch before sending funds. Once confirmed, initiate the transfer and note the reference number. If a payment bounces, request an MT-103 or trace from PNB to identify where it stalled. If you hit errors, escalate to branch manager or Swift desk with screenshots and form copies so they can query correspondent banks. One key tip: always keep written confirmation of the code to speed dispute resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.